My name is Naman.
My name is Henry.
We are from Baroda High School, ONGC, and we are proposing to make an educational game for children to help them learn about the culture and tradition of India of different states. Now my mate Harris will tell you about the components that we have used in this prototype.
We have used components like Bluetooth module, servo motor, Arduino, Uno, and breadboard. And Sony will tell us about the working.
Our project can be operated from phone and it works in a following way that when we open the Bluetooth controller in our phone there will be buttons of different states of India, and when we press any button then the doll of the specific attire will pop up and children using the toy will get to know about the culture and tradition of their state. In future, we add more different types of cuisine of states and famous monuments. So we are grateful to BHS ONGC to give us the opportunity to participating in the ATL marathon. Thank you.